Hi, I'd like to welcome you to the fourth day of the CARE series videos. If you missed the first three videos, then you can watch them on my website, which is www.uplevel2lead.com. So let's review quickly what we did in the first three videos, which is to talk about CARE. The C is for communicate, open, often, and honestly with your team. The A is for audible, to listen to what your team is saying, to get feedback from your team. The R is for reassurance, to reassure your team that they're valuable assets. And today, we're going to jump into empathy, my favorite piece. And so, I want you to show compassion for your team. Right now, your team is being stressed in ways that they've never been stressed before. Either they have recently been told that they need to go home and work remotely and not be able to leave their spouse, their children, and the animals and the other distractions that are in the house, and they need to focus and still do work. Or they need to come into work and feel like they're leaving their family at home alone instead of an empty house. And it's a very different situation right now. So, do you know what your team is doing? So if you're face to face with your team each day, do you know which one of them have an empty house at home and everyone's still out doing their normal things, going to either daycares or if there's some schools that aren't closed and their spouse is still working, or if their whole life is turned upside down and they're trying to hold it together when they come to work each day? It's your job as a leader to know. So I want you to go ask questions. Go and just ask them how things are going at home. How are things? They may laugh at you. They may cry. That's okay. But you need to show them that you care. And this is the time to do it. You can really build trust and loyalty from people by simply asking how it's going. You don't have to fix everything. I know that a lot of us, especially in leadership positions, we want to just hear the problem and go off and fix it. This is not a fixing thing. You need to be empathetic. You need to lend them an ear so that they can get something off their chest, feel better about it. So I want you to spend 1 to 2 minutes with each member of your team and tell them that you just want to know how things are going. Ask the question and listen for the answers. And then tell me how it goes. You can put comments below. So, just wanted to say, if you enjoyed this video series, I appreciated having you here. Share it with a friend, and I thank you for spending this time with me.